Welcome to restaurant return customer. Hi. Maganda kasi yung service niyo dito eh. I know. So, anong order natin today? 1 chicken pesto. Single pa rin. Your order, I mean. Is that for here or let's go? I'm sorry, what? Take me out on a date? Parang mas straightforward kayo ngayon, ah. I mean, take out or on a plate? Oh. On a plate. On a date. On a plate. Time naman. Okay, let me go get your order. Wait lang, nagtatampo ko. Walang iba magsaserve sa table na yan, ah. Akin yun.